What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how to make this quick, simple, easy cake without using any oven. So guys, let's get started. So to my bowl I'm gonna add some sugar and I'm gonna add some vegetable oil, and I'm gonna give this a mix. And of course I will leave everything that I'm using down in the description box so you could go ahead and check it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some milk. Guys, I'm using warm milk, so make sure the milk is warm. I'm gonna give this a whisk to combine and dissolve the sugar. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sift in some flour. So here I'll be using some self-rising flour. And I'm gonna add in some cornstarch to that. And of course, if you don't have self-rising flour, I will leave a measurement for all-purpose flour and baking powder down in the description box. I added some salt, and I'm going to add some vanilla sugar. And of course, if you don't have vanilla sugar, regular vanilla is okay. And I'm going to give this a good mix. Guys, basically your batter is ready. No eggs, no butter, no oven. Can you believe it, guys? It's that quick, simple, and easy. And you don't really want to over mix, so at this point I'm finished mixing, so my batter is nice and smooth. And I'm going to go ahead and grease my baking tin, and I'm going to add my batter to my tin. And now I'm going to go ahead and place this on my stovetop. Yes, guys. So on my stovetop, I have a large pot with a rack in the bottom, and I have this on 350. And I'm going to place the cake in the pan on the rack, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to bake. It's that easy, guys. So if you want a nice piece of cake, you don't have any oven, don't worry, I got you. This is the recipe for you. And I'm just going to bake this until it's fully done. You could check it at intervals to see the doneness on the inside. And that's basically it, guys. This took approximately about 1 hour to bake. And I'm going to remove it and allow it to cool. After about 10 minutes of cooling, I'm going to remove the cake from the pan. And let me tell you guys, this was super soft, moist, and flavorful. And that's basically it, guys. A nicely baked cake without using an oven. Now guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that red subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all so you never miss any of my upload. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Now let me tell you guys, this cake went by so fast. You wouldn't believe that there is no eggs, no butter is this cake. Look at that, guys. It was so moist and flavorful. You ought to give this recipe a try, and if you give this recipe a try and you like it, let me know on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen, and let me see how yours turned out. This was really and truly a moist cake. Try this recipe, guys. You will love it. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye for now.